Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another haul for you guys, and I love these videos. These are definitely one of my favorites to create on this channel for you guys. So here I found these really cool full cover nail tips that are already colored on Shein. So this is a combination of Shein, Amazon, and Aliexpress. These I got at Shein and they were so affordable and they fit so beautifully. And one thing I like to do with press-on nails that are already made, I always like to add two top coats of UV top coat to strengthen and make the nail more acrylic and thick like. So yeah, they look beautiful and I'm so excited to wear these. Or I might just recreate a video with these in the future. But yeah, they're really beautiful. I love the colors. I just wanted to test it out to see, and I really like them. So you can't go wrong for the price. I swear, Shein is definitely slept on. If you haven't been on Shein, I'll have everything linked down below. You have to check them out. They are amazing. Like, wow. And everything is so affordable. I'm definitely I'm more of an affordable type of person when it comes to nail supplies. So here I have these beautiful butterflies. I didn't have these type. I thought they're really pretty and they're really affordable on Aliexpress. But with the thing with Aliexpress, I really don't like the shipping and all that. Here we have a nail polish remover pen, and the way this works, you apply inside the nail your own solution and then it comes out through the other end. That's the way it works. It does not come with any solution in it. You have to put your solution inside. So I really wanted one of those to just try it out and test it and see if I would like it or not. So I'm really excited to try that. So next we're moving on to one all-time favorite nail art type of product, which is the stamping nail kits or the stamping plates. And I wanted a stamper that was clear and I could actually see through where I was stamping. So I definitely loved how this kit came with that, and it came with a stamping plate and also a scraper. So you just can't go wrong. It's just, the deals here are insane to me, and the shipping was relatively fast. I think it was only about 2 weeks. Here I have this base coat and top coat, and I got this on Amazon. It had really good reviews and it was only $3.99, so I gotta try out. Yeah, so I just had to try it out because of the price and the reviews. So yeah, here I'm just showing you the base coat now. So now we're moving on to the two-tone little beads, and I love these, and I've only had like a little bit, usually the ones that come in the wheel, and I wanted a bit more, so I decided to go ahead and grab these. So I'm so excited I have an excess now. So now I'm going in with another wheel, and this one's so pretty. You can literally do the cutest looks with this. I did get this on Aliexpress. I couldn't find the link though. I did try to place down below everything that I could find. But yeah, this is just one of those things I couldn't find. But look how cute they are, guys. I definitely love these. This is one of my favorite nail art decorations that I got from Shein. I think it's just so beautiful, and it was only $1.50. You could literally do so much with the stuff. Like, I am a hoarder for nail supplies. I've noticed that I have so many things and I don't even use them, but it's like I don't even want to use them. I just buy them to like hoard them because I enjoy knowing that I have them. It's the weirdest thing. But yeah, here I'm just showing you guys how beautiful these little nail art sequences are, and they are just so beautiful because it's like they're so different. I didn't have something similar like this, so I decided to go ahead and grab some. So yeah, I'm definitely going back with a part 2, maybe even a part 3 with these type of hauls because I just love them, and I noticed these are the type of videos that people enjoy the most. So hey, that's great. And by the way, guys, thank you so much for allowing me to reach 1K. I'm so happy. I can't believe it. This is insane how much my channel is growing. I really appreciate you guys, and I love you all so much. It absolutely means the world to me. Here I got some nail glue from Model Ones, and I did purchase this through Amazon Prime. So I just forgot to put the link for that one. So here I am going in and showing you guys this beautiful, what are these called again? Well, I forgot. I think it's like a little nail stand. Yeah, a little nail stand, but these are individual. So I always wanted a really pretty one like this, so I saw it and I'm like, you know what, let me go and get this. So yeah, I did purchase this through Aliexpress, and it's very beautiful, and I just loved it. It's great quality. So this is one of my favorite pieces here that I ordered. I did receive this from Aliexpress. I don't have the link for it though. I couldn't find it. But wow, I really enjoyed this because it is a wheel and I may never know what's inside of each wheel, but I just love the fact that it's so diverse. Like there's in every wheel and every little slot of the wheel, like there's just a bunch of different stuff crammed in there. Like you'll find bows, roses, stuff. Like you'll just find the randomest stuff, and I just really like that. That was very neat and different, and it's like a surprise in a wheel. Literally, you just don't even know what you're gonna find. And I think that was the fun in just grabbing this particular item. So yeah, here I'm just showing you guys some of the things that I found in there, and I thought I found really cute, and I just want to show you guys. Can see here it's a cute little bow and stuff. So yeah, I really liked this wheel. It was different. I hadn't seen something like this, so when I saw it I definitely wanted to go pick it up and grab it. So now we will be moving on to some nail art stickers, which I definitely love, and you guys will be seeing it right now. So these I got, even though they're Christmas nail stickers and I obviously the holidays are over, I still wanted to have them for next year. And I thought they were super cute, and I love the detailing on each and every one of the prints, and you get 4 for $2. I mean, you can't go wrong with this. I think they're so beautiful, and like this one's definitely my favorite. But yeah guys, I hope you guys are enjoying this nail haul. So here I have a star and moon shaped nail decoration wheel, and as you guys can see, there's like different type of like moons and stars and all types of things, and I thought this was a really cute one. I really like these type of designs, and here I'm just showing you guys the little suns, and they're just so cute. I just love the detailing in them. So here I did decide to pick up some buffers. You just can never have enough buffers. I have literally a collection of buffers that I don't even use. Like I literally been using the same buffers since I started my channel because I don't want to waste the other ones. Like I said, I do love hoarding these type of items. But yeah, so this is what I was really looking forward to. When I saw this, I just said I had to have it. I absolutely fell in love with this. I love the combination of all these things mixed together. Wow, they have beads, those little, it just has everything. Like I just fell in love with this. But yeah, so now we're moving on to some more nail stickers. Here you get 6 for $3. It's a little bit more on the pricier side, I guess, from like everything else that I got, but it was so worth it because look at the amount of stickers that you get per sticker. So as you guys can see, it's a lot of butterflies and stuff, and I love the shape, how they're very small, because I do have a lot of butterfly like water decals and nail stickers, but they're more on the bigger side, and I just wanted something that was more on the smaller side as well. So these are really cute. I really like them. But everything so far in this haul I absolutely loved. I was so happy with the packaging. The shipping was great. I cannot complain because it does come from very far away. The products were in great condition, great quality. I have no complaints about Shein. Like most of the things in this video are from Shein, but I'm just saying, like, if you guys want to order, I definitely recommend it. And I know I've been talking so much in this video, but I'm sorry guys, I just really had to emphasize how amazing Shein is. So yeah, here I have this little box of yellow butterflies, and I didn't know that there were different types of butterflies, which is obviously a plus. It's even better than just one design. So yeah, here you just have different types of butterflies, and I just thought these were really cute. So yeah, I'm just showing you here the different designs that the box includes. So now we're moving on to some foils. I did purchase these through Aliexpress, and I love foils. Foils are something that I haven't done in my channel yet, just because I'm still practicing with that behind the scenes. It's definitely not as easy as it looks. That's something that does take a lot of practice for it to look nice. So I'm still not there yet. I'm still not that great at it. So yeah, I hope to make future tutorials with foils though, because they are just so beautiful and bomb. I really love them. So here I'm just going to be showing you the foils that it comes with. They're all beautiful, and they're all floral. I really like the patterns. So I hope you guys enjoyed this nail haul. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much once again for all the love and all the support, and for everybody who just is engaging in my channel, for the love you guys leave down in my social media platforms and in the comments down below. It means the absolute world to me. Thank you so much. I love you guys very much. Till next time.